Have you ever seen weak plants, yellow leaves, or slow growth in your garden? What if I tell you just 1 spoon of white lime can change everything? Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm sharing a powerful gardening secret that most people don't know. White lime in gardening, but used in a right way. White lime is not a fertilizer. It's a soil healer. It improves soil health, balances soil pH, and provides calcium, which helps strengthen roots, improve plant growth, make leaves greener, and make plants stronger naturally. How to use: take just 1 spoon white lime, mix it in 8 to 10 inch pot soil, mix well in dry soil. Water normally after that. Use only once in 2 to 3 months. Important warning: too much white lime can damage plants, so always use small quantity only. This simple trick can turn weak soil into healthy soil and weak plants into fast-growing strong plants.